Here's 3 reasons I'd like to invite you to come to our next Kings and Priests conference. The theme is unrolling the scroll. And number 1, we want to show you how to unroll the scroll of the Lord for your life, understanding that in the volume of the book it is written of you to do His will. And secondly, we'd like you to understand the seat that God's prepared for you to sit on your mountain of influence in this life. And thirdly, we'd like you to bring a disciple that you'd like a breakthrough for, and we can minister together in teams. We're going to wait on the Lord for the gifts of the Spirit to flow, and we're going to trust the Lord to really unroll the scroll for people together as we celebrate what the Lord has for us in this next phase of this ministry, this move of God. And we are inviting people from other ministries as well who want to wait on the Lord with us. We're meeting on the 14th of February at Dibron at the Willow Bridge, and booking is essential. Please let us know that you're coming, and we look forward to hearing from the Lord together. God bless you.